Streets teem with life, adorned with bunting and lively stalls, as the city embraces its festive spirit. Amidst the joyous commotion, young Azlan stirs from sleep, drawn in by the rhythmic drums and jubilant laughter. The city's vibrant pulse calls to him, promising a day of unforgettable revelry. Mama enters the room, her voice filled with warmth. "It's Pakistan's Independence Day, my lion. Let's celebrate." Azlan's eyes light up at the prospect of celebration, a joyous grin spreading across his face. Azlan, radiating pure joy, enthusiastically waves his flag at every passerby, his spirit infectious. The flag waves, signaling change as the scene begins to dissolve, hinting at a world transformed. The majestic snow-covered mountains loom in the distance, forming an awe-inspiring backdrop to Azlan's adventure. With a voice filled with awe and admiration, Azlan exclaims, "Wow, Pakistan is so beautiful." Azlan continues his journey, his flag a vibrant splash of color against the serene backdrop of the Hunza Valley. Slowly, the colors begin to fade, the verdant tones dissolving into the muted hues of sand. The transformation intensifies, the vibrant life of the landscape surrendering to the encroaching aridity. The camel sways rhythmically, a dance of survival in the heart of the Thar. Children in bright clothes run alongside, their laughter echoing in the vast emptiness. The desert unfolds, a mirage of hope and resilience under the relentless sun. The sun-baked desert yields to the mesmerizing expanse of the Arabian Sea, where turquoise waters meet the boundless sky. On the expansive Karachi beach, Azlan stands resolute, a lone figure against the vast horizon. In the distance, children play cricket, their laughter rising on the salty breeze. The flag stands tall, catching the wind as Azlan watches the children play. The beach pulses with life, a symphony of nature and humanity intertwining. The Lahore streets awaken as dusk descends, a stark contrast to the serene beach. The air hangs heavy with the scent of spices and exhaust, a symphony of Lahore's essence. Street vendors shout, their voices raspy from a day of relentless hawking. A canvas of orange and purple paints the sky, a fleeting masterpiece before darkness claims the city. Lahore prepares to surrender to the night, its vibrant energy slowly dimming. Each step echoes with the promise of home, set against Lahore's vibrant, illuminated tapestry. Their journey home is a gentle dance through Lahore's heart, aglow with the spirit of celebration. On Azlan's rooftop, the night sky transforms into a canvas of fleeting artistry as fireworks explode, side by side with Mama. The air is thick with the aroma of a late-night barbecue, a symphony of spices filling the senses. A soft breeze rustles Azlan's hair, adding a subtle dance to the stillness. Azlan stands on the rooftop, his face upturned, reflecting the awe-inspiring display above. Bathed in the vibrant glow, Azlan's expression is one of pure wonder, lost in the magic of the moment. Mama looks at Azlan, a gentle smile gracing her lips, reflecting shared joy and pride. Mama smiles, her eyes reflecting a deep, maternal love that transcends the urban landscape. Her voice, soft yet firm, carries a message of pride and belonging. Pakistan Zindabad, my little lion. Under the vast, starlit sky, Azlan's flag dances in the wind, a vibrant emblem of his unwavering love for Pakistan.